ॐ भूर्भुवस्व तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. I hope you all are happy and well in your life. There are few facts which I want to share with you. The first fact is that when you recite the name of God, that is called Jap Yag. Jap Yag is one of the wonderful form of mind purification. The basic objective behind this activity is to have a connection between your soul with Supreme Soul, between you and God. This is the bridge on which if you lay down your feet, so definitely one day you will be with God. Most of you always think that what kind of benefit will I get when I am going to recite the name of God. There are innumerable benefits when you recite the name of God. First thing, mind is very difficult to control. Most of the people say that my mind is flickering, it is going from here and there. The best way to have a control on your mind, repeat the name of God. Have faith within Him. Recite some mantra. So these activities will give you strength within your mind. You will have a proper strength within yourself, and because of this strength, you will be able to achieve the innumerable power within yourself. There are three kinds of energy level. If you know it, I am not sure about it, but let me explain you. The energy present in body, like suppose you are running. After some time, what will happen? You will get tired, exhausted. And again, suppose it is told you now, this run. Immediately you will find the thought will come in your mind, run. This last moment you will start running. Means you have gone from first level to second level. That is mind level. Third stage. You see, now this is extreme condition. You find some snake is behind you. Will you stop? No. Third level of energy is going to come, the energy of soul. It has unlimited power. The stock which is present within the soul, that is unlimited. The moment you will be using that power, definitely you will do miracles. You might be seeing that some of the great work people of this world. So with the moment you will be using a body energy, you will be labor class people. You can say that you will be putting the load on your head, you will be doing the manual work for this. That is body energy function. If you go till mind level, you will have the control on your mind. Then in that condition you will be scientists, engineer, doctors, advocates. So they are in the second stage of the development. Still first stage is left, that is soul level. You will become saint, great personality, preachers, divine human being. With your presence, other people find peace in their life. So this is the first level of energy. What is there? It is not that you have not tasted this first level of energy. The love for the divine, the craving within it is said in the Vedanta, this first verse is that Athatu Brahm Jigyasa. This state that the first question comes in the mind of the person, who is my creator? Are you following the meaning of this? The introspection, that this question which is coming in our mind, who is my creator, is because of this fact only. We want to self-realize. That is the goal of human life, self-realization. And this self-realization comes through introspection. May God be with you all. That's all for today. For the next day I will continue. Your mind have peace, your body have peace, your surroundings should have peace. Peace should be everywhere. Everyone should feel the peace. Om Shanti.